Hey everybody, this is Teresa from the White Cat channel, and today you are here with me and I'm going to make some hamburgers where I stuff some shirataki noodles in there. I think this is going to be a great thing to do for people who are on a lower budget and they want to increase the meat in their families, or even their own meals. I'm going to make a hamburger patty or a couple actually. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to you're looking at my blender right now, and I'm just going to, I have water in here and the shirataki noodles, like a whole batch. I could put another batch in there, but this is all I had right now. And then I'm just going to pulse it and drain it, because when I pulse them together it retains a lot of the water, so you want to drain too before you put it into the hamburger. So I'm going to do that right now. And close your ears. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Let me do it one more time. Alright, I'm going to go drain that. While that's draining, I do have some ground beef. I'm just going to season it as I like. And some salt. I like a lot of onion powder, excuse me. And right now I don't have any pepper, it kind of ran away, so I'm just going to put some of this barbecue seasoning on there. Give it a little extra oomph. And then I'm just going to go ahead and mix it up so it's all mixed in there. When I was young, I remember being taught to don't season it before, season it after, and all that stuff. And then I read this old-fashioned book, and it says the best thing to do for your hamburger is to season it first. And I found that to be oh so true. It tastes so much better. Alright. There, it's seasoned. And this is what those shiratakis ended up looking like. So I'm just going to eyeball how much I put in there. See how much the meat will actually take up. I'll go there for now. And I'm just going to try to get it all in there. Because they're a little watery, it does make the meat kind of tender. Trying to get them all in there. And it really pumped up the volume. And then just take however big or small you want your patties and form them as best you can. Like I said, they're kind of tender. And then I found with since of all the shirataki pieces in there, when I turn on the fire I don't touch them at all until they're, they got some good doneness on them. And when the meat gets more done, it will hold the shirataki in there better. I think this would be great for, you know, those peppers that you stuff. You know, that old-fashioned recipe for stuffed peppers. I think that would be great with this stuff in there. Because I think usually with those you add some rice anyway. Alright. Put them on. Alright, I got them on the fire. Usually when I make hamburgers, I'm pretty sure everyone's different. I treat them a little bit like steak time-wise. So like between 4 and 6 minutes, I'll leave them on one side and then flip them over. But with this one, I think I'm going to wait until I definitely see the brown, you know, creeping up around the sides before I turn them. Like I said, they're very tender. I'll probably stick some butter in there too. I like that. But I will be back when it's time to turn them. Well, this is 7 minutes so far. And the brown is getting up on the side, so I'm going to go ahead and turn them gently. Could be a little bit more brown, but that's alright. Okay, one's coming apart a little bit. And I think I'll probably go another, you don't have to cook meat until it's totally brown, because next step after we take them out, we're just going to put them on a plate and cover them either with some tin foil or another plate, and they'll still continue to cook. And then they'll also, I believe it's called a rest period. It will help them relax as well. And then they'll be ready to eat. I think you wait about 4 or 5 minutes with them covered. I'll be right back. Alright, they've been resting long enough. I've been waiting long enough too, so haha. Alright. Well, they're definitely done inside. And you put whatever gorgeous topping you want on there, but they're extremely tender. And they taste wonderful too. And they'll taste wonderful when you put your own seasoning in there, so. Well, time to have a snack. Save the rest for later. Thanks for watching. Again, this is Teresa from the White Cat channel. Like, subscribe, and do whatever else you're supposed to do. Okay, have a good night. Bye.